Assalamu alaikum. My name is Arif Zafar Mansouri, and I'm the host of the Mansouri Show. I'm here in Chicago today, the Windy City, the third largest city of the United States. I'm here to meet the new Consul General of Pakistan in Chicago, Mr. Zaman Mehdi, who took over the charge here as the Consul General a couple of weeks ago. Mr. Mehdi is a career diplomat. He joined the Foreign Service of Pakistan in 2003. He has served in Beijing, also in Washington, D.C., and also in Geneva. He was based in Washington, D.C. for about close to 6 years, and he served as the first secretary political. The Consulate of Pakistan in Chicago represents about 12 states, and it has about 70 million of the population and represents about quarter of the GDP of United States. Prior to him, Mr. Tariq Karim was the Consul General of Pakistan in Chicago. He has now taken over the charge as the Ambassador of Pakistan to Myanmar, which used to be Burma, and I had the good fortune of interviewing him as well, and would like to wish Mr. Tariq Karim, all the best in his current role, and also I'd like to wish the new Consul General of Pakistan in Chicago, Mr. Zaman Mehdi, all the best and great success. Please stay with us as we speak with the Consul General Mehdi. Thank you so much.